Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, today we have uploaded in Urdu language our Hazrat Ji Maulana Saad Sahab. He has visited Darul Uloom Deoband and met there two elders and two our Akabir. So many our brothers and sisters requested kindly translate in English because we don't know Urdu. So no problem, no issue, inshallah. We will try to explain you complete journey. Yesterday our Hazrat Ji Maulana Saad Sahab, he has visited Deoband and Darul Uloom Deoband, especially to meet Qari Usman Sahab Rahmatullah Alayhi's family, special to express his condolence to Mufti Salman Sahab Mansoor Puri and to Mufti Affan Sahab. So our Hazrat Ji Maulana Saad Sahab, he has visited to Qari Usman Sahab Mansoor Puri's home and met to his son Mufti Salman Sahab Mansoor Puri and to Mufti Affan Sahab. And after it, our Hazrat Ji visited to home Hazrat Maulana Arshad Sahab Madani, President of Jamiyat Ulama-e-Hind and Principal of Darul Uloom Deoband. He spoke with him and Hazrat Maulana Arshad Sahab Madani, he has asked about Dawah work, how is going in lockdown and in this corona period. So our Hazrat Ji Maulana Saad Sahab, he has explained him all karguzaris, how our sathis working in corona period. And Hazrat Maulana Arshad Sahab Madani, he has given too much du'as to our Hazrat Ji Maulana Saad Sahab and to Markaz Nizamuddin and to Dawah work and to our sathis. And then our Hazrat Ji visited home Hazrat Maulana Mahmud Sahab Madani and spoke with him and met him. And in all journey, Hazrat Maulana Muaz Sahab, son of Hazrat Maulana Mahmud Sahab Madani, was as a rahbar with our Hazrat Ji Maulana Saad Sahab in whole journey. So our Hazrat Ji visited Darul Uloom Deoband and Akabir Deoband. So right now I just wanted to explain you one rumor and one misunderstanding. Many people, they are spreading this misunderstanding and to our new sathis and saying them Darul Uloom Deoband is not in favor of Markaz Nizamuddin and Akabir Deoband is not in favor of our Hazrat Ji Maulana Saad Sahab. This is completely false, and they are speaking such thoughts and such things. They are liars, because Darul Uloom Deoband is complete in favor of Markaz Nizamuddin and Akabir Deoband, especially Hazrat Maulana Sayyid Arshad Sahab Madani. He has visited many times to Markaz Nizamuddin and to meet our Hazrat Ji Maulana Saad Sahab in this pandemic period. So our intention to make this video only these things to explain our new sathis. This is very false. Darul Uloom Deoband is not in favor of Markaz and in favor of our Hazrat Ji Maulana Saad Sahab. Alhamdulillah, thumma alhamdulillah, Darul Uloom Deoband, Akabir Deoband and Hazrat Maulana Sayyid Arshad Sahab Madani, Hazrat Maulana Sayyid Mahmud Sahab Madani and all of our Akabir, they are with Markaz Nizamuddin, they are with our Hazrat Ji Maulana Saad Sahab. So kindly dua for our Hazrat Ji Maulana Saad Sahab and dua for our Akabir Deoband, Hazrat Maulana Arshad Sahab Madani, Hazrat Maulana Mahmud Sahab Madani and other our Akabir, and for Darul Uloom Deoband and for Markaz Nizamuddin and for Dawah work and Dawah sathis. Alhamdulillah, it's appreciable things. In this pandemic period, many are sathis, alhamdulillah, they are working, alhamdulillah, they are also working in hard work. They are also, alhamdulillah, in 4-month Jamaat in 40 days Jamaat, in 3 days Jamaat, alhamdulillah, in this pandemic also. So kindly make dua for all our sathis and ignore by WhatsApp, by social media, because they have no work. They have work only for make rumors. So ignore such people. Ignore to such peoples. So ignore them and make dua for Markaz Nizamuddin and for Darul Uloom Deoband and Akabire Deoband and Akabire Markaz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.